Right, traders, I'm recording a trade as we have a failed second entry long. Normally I would scalp a little bit more, but because we have new low here, I'm going for a take target profit, 2 points. I was forced to use limit order because we close quite low and the bar is a bit bigger than I would like. Okay, this happened super quick, so I'm gonna place my stop loss to break even because anything we make is just a bonus. So as I was about to explain, we have a downtrend working lower according to trendline rules. We started with consolidation. We had some failed second entry short. I didn't take it at the time. Then market reversed down, so I'm forced to redraw a brand new downtrend. I'm always looking for these channels. We have a lot of bars inside this channel, so there's a brand new downtrend working lower. We also have one leg up, break, second leg up, visual to leg up, pullback. And once again, you can see breakout, pullback, testing this breakout area, and market continued trending below EMA. So once this support transformed into a resistance right here, this is telling me, okay, sellers are probably in the market because we have a break a new high. But because I want to make sure, I want to see push below EMA, and the push below EMA is the ultimate confirmation that this downtrend is about to test new low. So the setup I was looking for was a lower high confirmation setup, but there was no break below this signal bar, so I didn't take it. I cannot sell below this bullish inside bar, so I waited for a failed second entry long. Failed second entry long form with a great signal bar, and we need to get new low, maybe all the way down to test the low of the day. This is where I'm gonna take my runner, and this is trendline rule, also break, retest, sellers are stepping in, correction played out, and the last piece of the trade is the failed second entry long hypervolatile setup, great signal bar. So everything played out. We'll see if we can get the runner or not. All right, traders, so our runner got hit at break even, so no runner for us, mainly the scalp, and this was a breakout pullback, new low, failed second entry long, according to trendline rules. I hope the video was educational, and I hope it explains combining all price action rules to identify a high probability setup. Good luck in your trading.